Sea lions bask on a rocky island. A white graphic with the words Ocean School.
The sea and the land feed one another in a forever cycle. This is rainforest country, Canada's Pacific Northwest, and home to the H264 Nation.
Title: The Harvest.
My people have been stewards of this land and these waters for over 14,000 years. That's over 700 generations of Celtic people. Our mission is to explore the central coast of British Columbia and the cycles that connect land and sea.
Dr. Boris Worm.
This rich ecosystem here depends on keystone species like herring and salmon that are important for the overall system to thrive. The Celtic people and all of us depend on this vibrant environment in many different ways.
Yes, it's our highest catch yet.
Unfortunately, the harvest of both of these species and many others has been declining.
Everything we do on land ultimately is going to end up in the water.
Without those resources, a lot of the life as we know it today will be gone.
A black bear lounges on a riverbank. A sea lion glides through a kelp forest.
We'll count salmon as they battle to return to the place of their birth.
So if it was a bear, more of it would be eaten. And if it was a wolf, the brain would be probably missing.
A plane flies over a rocky coastline.
We'll spot herring eggs from a seaplane, then take to the water and reel them in by the millions.
People harvest kelp leaves.
And we'll dive deep into my people's balanced relationship with the natural world.
One of the most important aspects is to learn to incorporate multiple perspectives into understanding how this place has been changing and how we can do a better job in managing it.
We can talk about biomass levels, but that information in isolation isn't enough.
Weather, animals, human, we all have a role in the balance of an ecosystem like this.
It's really a merger of the local H264 knowledge and the actual science. We're natural scientists.
Learning these lessons of the past will be critical in leading us all towards a more sustainable future. Everything that I learned, it's not for me, it's to pass on to the next generation. It's rooted in our DNA, it runs through our blood. It's who we are.
Waves lap against the sea lion island. Jordan pulls on dive goggles and dips below the water.